welcome back to my channel and welcome to Clearwater Beach. Today we are having a beach day and we actually came last night to have a beach day. It is a little bit windy today, so hopefully you can hear me with the microphone. But we actually came to Clearwater Beach yesterday. We spent the night here. We had a little staycation while we were in Florida, a holiday on a holiday. So we stayed in an apartment last night and we had such a lovely beach day and we decided to have another one today. The hotel has let us borrow these chairs and a parasol, so we're just here on the beach today enjoying it. Clearwater Beach is just under 2 hours away from the Orlando area, so I thought I would share it with you. In case you're wanting to come to Orlando but come to the beach for the day, I thought this would be a good video to show you to see if it would be worth it for you. Clearwater is on the west coast, and it is a little bit further away, so if you're wanting a closer beach, maybe just for a beach day, then you probably want to go to the east coast, like Cocoa Beach, Daytona Beach. That's about an hour and 15, an hour and a half away. But if you don't mind driving just that little bit further, it's usually about an hour and a half to 2 hours from Orlando is Clearwater, and the beaches are just so nice on the west coast. So it is lovely white powdery sand, warm waters. It's in the Gulf of Mexico. There's lots to do here. There's some beach bars, there's Pier 60, but yeah, it's just an overall amazing place that we love to come and visit. So come and spend the day with us here. We've already had an amazing beach walk this morning. Jessie was playing in the ocean this morning. We called and got some Dunkin' Donuts. I got a coffee and a blueberry muffin. Jessie's had a strawberry sprinkle muffin. And now he's just here with me, relaxing on the chairs. And I think we're gonna go for a swim in the ocean, have a dig on the beach, explore everything that Clearwater has to offer, and you can see if it'd be a good fit for you too. Wiggle your toes. Pavilion, which is just off the beach. And looking at the menu, I'm not too sure whether to get the beach bowl, which is jasmine rice, black bean and corn salsa, pico, avocado, poke sauce, scallions, fresh cilantro, and then add chicken, or whether I do the nachos beach style, which is basically corn tortilla chips, black bean and sweet corn salsa, jalapenos, lemon crema, cheese sauce, cilantro and sour cream with chicken as well. So both very similar, just deciding which one. Jesse's gonna get pasta with a cheesy sauce and veggies, nice. And me and Jesse have both got a pink lemonade coming. Cheers, boys! Cheers! We have just finished up our dinner now. We ate at the, what was it called? Something Pier Pavilion? Or something like that. Really good, right on the beachfront, so tasty. But we've just jumped in the car now to head back to Orlando. So the time is saying 1 hour 57, so like I mentioned earlier, 2 hours drive. But I'll flip the camera around and show you, because we're just going to drive through like the main bit of Clearwater. This is like the main street through Clearwater, isn't it, This is like the strip, as you might call it in Europe.
I believe so. It's a Hogan's Hangout.
Roundabout, take the third exit on Causeway Boulevard.
For this side anyway, I think you go left at the roundabout.
There's another side as well.
Yeah, I think there's more that side too.
So this yellow building here, this is Hogan's Hangout. That's a bar that Hulk Hogan owns, and apparently Lee told me he comes there some like Friday, Saturday evenings and does karaoke. So yeah, this is like the main shopping area. There's a CVS here. Lots of cute little boutiques on this side. Do like surfing clothes and beach clothes and cute little boutique finds.
Well, I thought you was going to have a nap.
I am going to have a nap, darling, after I've done this.
In 1,000 feet.
I will be doing, yeah, darling.
On Causeway Boulevard.
I can hold that.
It's okay, darling. I've got it, but thank you very much.
But I want to hold it.
It's okay, darling. I've got it.
Please.
No, darling.
Please.
No.
Please.
Yeah, and this is the Hilton here. Lee stayed in there once or twice.
I've stayed there once, I believe.
And then this is like the main roundabout in Clearwater, and then through here this is the Pier 60 area, which we were going to try out but we didn't end up doing. So there's a pier off to there, and there's like a playground and some like inflatables in the water and full on water sports and everything. It looks really cool, does that? Yeah, I don't know if you can see there, like that's the playground, and then just behind it, I don't know if you can make it out, there's like inflatables in the water. Cool place to come for kids, young adults, adults that like to be kids. And yeah, now we're going to head out of Clearwater and head back to Orlando. Oh, it's already gone down in time. It says 1 hour 51 now.
Oh, that's good.
We'll see how long it takes. The time is 3:21, so we shall report back on how long it actually takes, but it's usually just under 2 hours. So we are back at the villa now, and it did indeed take us 1 hour 50 to get back, so not too bad considering it is a Saturday, so we didn't have to deal with any rush hour traffic or anything like that, so that's always a bonus. But we've had a lovely time at the beach, got a nice tan, which we weren't expecting to get, but being out in the sunshine for a couple of days clearly does it, because yeah, we've got back and being able to see how much colour we've got. But I really recommend heading to Clearwater if you've got a couple of days free in Orlando, and that's hard to say because there's already so much to do, but if you love the beach, definitely recommend checking out Clearwater. Not too far, and one of the most stunning beaches I've ever been on. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you have enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!